just sorting through this pile of branches here to select out the ash branches to make a chair, rustic chair out of. Definitely no good, possible, and yes, that's good down there. I'm going to use the natural curve of the timber to try and create some of the shape in the chair. These little branches here have all got bark partly stripped off or fully stripped off by the goats, who were just, they like it. It was their breakfast in a way. This one here will probably be a nice little bottom stretcher rail on the chair. This will get shortened a bit, and then the leg will be down further down there, but it's just got that natural nice little curve though. There we go. So we got a nice little curve coming up there, the back leg, or the back of the chair. These knots are going to make life quite difficult because the grain twists all around them. You see that's tearing out there a bit, but the finished look will look wonderful with those in. So this is just roughing the log, the branches down now to something that's clean and usable. Before I assemble the chair, I'll go back over these again with these tools just to finish it off and get a really nice finish. Starting the new chair, I've since finished this chair with the woven seat, which is seagrass, and you weave it in the number of different ways that you weave it into patterns to form the seat. So we've gone from the rough branch, cleaned up to a rough finish, and now I need to cut them to length, and I'm going to use this chair here, which is a nice proportioned chair. It's a bit more rustic than the one we're making, but it's I can use this, offer these pieces up to this chair now and mark off the approximate lengths. Well, these are two rails for the back support in the chair. There's a ever so slight natural curve in them already, but in order to make it a bit more comfortable, I'm going to work with the draw knife and put a bit more of a curve into them. I've already started on this one. Pretty good. Pleased with that.